Hi comrades, yours KVS. Happy New Year 2022. The year 2021 is coming to an end, and all of us we are getting excited to enter into the new year with the hope that it will be a great year. Our past experience during the 2020 and 21, it was very much turbulent. We have lost several of our leaders, several of our friends, comrades who are working with us. Not only in the social area, because of the continuous pandemic and also the continuous lockdown. We have been tortured like anything by the department also by fixing the unrealistic target, etc. And also in the midst of our comrades who were dying on the spot, we were working and with a lot of difficulties we faced during these 2 years. And also, the government also started various measures, either to privatize the post office or to corporatize the post office. And there are many proposals are in the offing. It is in the anvil. At any time, we are facing the problem due to the privatization policy and also the monetization pipeline of the government of India. Despite all these things, we are facing a lot at the work spot due to the shortage, due to the poor network, and also due to the target fixed by the department, and a lot of problems we have faced during these 2020 and 21. We are confident at least 2022 should be a good year, should be a year of joy, and also you should begin with the new promises and also free from the exploitation, and also there is a peaceful atmosphere in the workplace, and also we have to resolve for the better working condition and also atmosphere, not only in the office but also in the family, in our life also. We are anticipating, we are welcoming the new year 2022 with all the hopes that it will be a good year for us. Comrades, during 2021, as a part of educative program, we have launched Anbudan KVS channel. And with your cooperation, with your patronage, it is possible because of your cooperation only. We are having 6,200 subscribers. And also, it has crossed more than 4 lakhs views so far. Even the hours, actually the watched hours, it has also crossed 40,000 hours. And we have so far posted more than 390 episodes. Actually, we started the channel on 15th May only. Within these 7 months, we have posted more than 390, and we will reach the 500 mark within 1 or 2 months. It is definitely possible. And every day we are posting various new materials to suit you. And whatever be the suggestions you are giving for the improvement of the channel, that is well taken by us, and based on your suggestions, we are making the changes in the postings also. Even the PowerPoint presentation type of posting is also introduced some 3 days before, just to cater the request of our comrades. Our ultimate aim is nothing but to educate our comrades, nothing but to fulfill them with all the abilities and also the skill and everything, so that they can not only function as a good unionist, but also a good assistance. They can render a good assistance to the fellow workers. Knowledge is very important, and we are imparting the knowledge. We want to expand the area further also. From this new year, we are introducing a new area also. From tomorrow, we are going to introduce certain items that are all required for the day-to-day working of the post office. Some new areas we are going to launch from tomorrow. So naturally, it will also be useful for all of you for working in the post office. My only request, you have to increase the subscribers by organizing and also adding all your friends to the channel. If the knowledge is widened and also it is penetrated to the minds of all the postal employees, we can have a very, very good future in the days. Organization is facing a lot of problems. Organization, now the government started attacking the organization. And we have to be more vigilant, more careful. We have to carry our banner, NFPE and other unions also, I am telling. We have to carry the unity of all the unions. And we have to go ahead against all the onslaughts of the government and also the department. It is the time to unite. The unity is the only requirement at this juncture. Unity for the struggle, struggle for the unity is the motto in which we are adopting all along. The unity is the basic requirement. The bank employee strike has given the lesson that if unity is there, we can postpone the move of the government. And similarly, the defense employees' unity also, it was there. During this new year, the unity has to be developed not only from the grassroots level, but also with the top officers of the Department of Post. The top officers of the Department of Post are also not in favor of corporatization or privatization. They are also against. They are teethless actually. They could not fight with the government. They cannot say their words to the government about and offering their opinions. If they will also unite it, if a unity is built up between the officers as well as the working employees, definitely we can halt the privatization, we can halt the corporatization, we can halt the privatization policy, monetization pipeline, everything in the 2022. We have lost great leaders like Comrade Kishan last year. Comrade Sivanarayana we lost, Comrade Sita Lakshmi we lost, and many leaders, many cadres. Many leaders and many cadres we have lost. At least in 2022, there should be no casualty, nothing should happen, and all the leaders and all the cadres and all the family of our postal fraternity, they should live peacefully, they should live with prosperity, and this I want to ensure for the new year 2022. Comrades, actually I am blessed to have the friends and comrades like you in my life. That not only for this new year, but also for my lifetime. There are many years to come, and our journey will continue. Our relationship will definitely continue. We should always keep our relationship with the constant repair. We should make it as a constant repair, and I am requesting all of you to allot an inch space in your heart and keep me in your constant repair forever. The Anbudan KVS is a liaison to refresh, always to remember the knot and also the bondage that we are possessing for the very many years. And Anbudan KVS YouTube channel is the channel which is for you, and it is for you and it is by you, and you have to take care of the channel further, and I am seeking all your cooperation for the betterment of our postal comrades and also the knowledge sharing process. I hope that this new year 2022 will bring you more and exciting opportunities in our lifetime, and also a good working atmosphere and a peaceful atmosphere, and this new year will be our year. Happy New Year to all of you. Happy New Year. Remember, no matter what the new year brings, you are my loved and you are strong and you are my most valued companion throughout my life. With New Year greeting 2022, thank you comrades. Meet again. Thank you very much. Wishing you happy New Year 2022.